Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the audio ready and confirming access. First, make sure the file is MP3, WAV, or M4A and trimmed of long silence. This reduces processing time. Once done, sign into Chatgpt and verify you have the file upload or transcription capability enabled, because transcription is only available through that interface. Now, rename the file with a short descriptive title and the language tag, so the model recognizes context immediately and avoids guessing. Next, you upload the file directly into the chat and provide a clear instruction. Tell ChatGPT, transcribe this audio verbatim, language, English includes speaker labels and timestamps every minute. Once uploaded, attach a 10-30-second sample clip or request a short sample transcription to confirm language and accuracy. Then give the full command and specify format, plain text, SRT, or time-coded JSON, so the output matches your workflow and avoids extra conversion steps later. Finally, you check the transcript and export it in your chosen format. Read through for misheard words, fix speaker labels, and adjust punctuation. This improves readability and searchability. Once satisfied, copy-paste the text or request an SRT or JSON output from ChatGPT so you can import it into editors. If accuracy is low, retry with noise-reduced audio, raise volume on low channels, or supply manual timestamps. These steps typically resolve errors quickly and get you a reliable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.